I am Sujit, an associate professor of Global Institute of Management and Technology, Krishnanagar. Today we will study what is an adiabatic process and system.
Now we are going to see what is an adiabatic process or system. So before going to adiabatic system, we need to know the literal meaning of adiabatic. The word adiabatic comes from a Greek word called adiabatos. The meaning of adiabatos is not to be passed. But in thermodynamic process here we have to refer it as a no heat to be passed. Means adiabatic means where no heat to be passed. Now, so what is the definition of adiabatic can be? So adiabatic process, as we can see in the figure, that it is a process where no heat transfer takes place from surrounding to system or from system to surrounding. So when no heat transfer takes place, can take place from a system to the surrounding or from surrounding to the system, then such kind of system is referred as adiabatic system, or the process is named as adiabatic process. Now how this adiabatic processes takes place? The adiabatic processes can be done in three ways. In first case, when it is a well insulated system, when the system is completely well insulated, so that a very negligible amount of heat can be passed across the boundary, then in such system adiabatic process is possible. Then number two is that when the system temperature and surrounding temperature are equal, that means no heat transfer will take place because they are already in the equilibrium condition. And another case, when any process takes so fast that there is no chance of heat transfer either from the system to the surrounding or from surrounding to the system, then that process is also referred to as adiabatic process. Now, what is the difference with the isothermal process? In adiabatic process, we have discussed that there is no heat transfer. Heat transfer does not take place across the boundary, but temperature of the system can be increased or decreased by means of transfer of work either coming to the system or going out of the system. But in isothermal process, in no ways the temperature of the system should change. Now let us apply the first law of thermodynamics for adiabatic process. In first law of thermodynamics, before that we should see in adiabatic process we are seeing that heat transfer is equal to 0. So therefore we can write down del q, where del q is specifying the change in heat, or that is heat transfer, that is heat transfer is equal to 0. So as per first law of thermodynamics, we know that del q minus del w is equal to du, where del q is the change in heat, del w is the change in work, and du is the change in internal energy. So as del q is equal to 0, so putting del q is equal to 0, we get del w is equal to minus du. So it becomes u12 w122, means work from state 1 to state 2 is equal to internal energy at state 1 minus internal energy at state 2. What it signifies? It signifies that work is done in the adiabatic process at the expense of internal energy. So internal energy here reduces when the work is done by the system. So let us apply in the entropy. We know change in entropy ds is equal to, where S is the entropy and ds is the change in entropy, is equal to del q by T, where T is equal to constant. So for adiabatic process, as del q is equal to 0, by putting del q is equal to 0, what you get? ds is equal to 0. So therefore by integrating we get S is equal to constant. Therefore in adiabatic process entropy remains constant, entropy doesn't change in adiabatic process. Thank you for this class. Once again we will come back and subscribe my channel so that you can get notification whenever any video is uploaded. Thank you.